We know that the Rosary will be a very efficacious prayer if for no other reason than there is a reference to it even scripturally. Most people are unaware of this. It's kind of a remote reference, but it's still there. We read in John 21:6, quote, "He saith to them, Cast the net on the right side of the ship, and you shall find. They cast therefore, and now they were not able to draw it, for the multitude of fishes. Simon Peter went up and drew the net to land, full of great fishes, 153. And although there were so many, the net was not broken." What we understand in this passage is that the 153 is the number of Hail Marys in a full 15-decade rosary. The 3 for in the beginning for faith, hope, and charity, and then the rest of the 15. Maybe at another time, not necessarily now, you can ask me some questions about the luminous mysteries. But here we're just talking about, historically, that was the reason why there was 153 fish named specifically. They weren't able to draw it in, which indicates that the Rosary is something greater and stronger than those who use it. And it indicates that the efficacy of the Rosary as a net in order to bring in sinners, as well as to conquer enemies. That is, it can bind them and restrict them so they can't hurt you, they can't affect other people, that type of thing. Among the 15 promises of the Rosary, we find that the Rosary shall be a powerful armor against hell. In fact, Padre Pio said the Rosary is the weapon, not a weapon, but the weapon to use in spiritual combat. Now, that doesn't mean that there are, obviously, the sacraments and things like that would take precedence over this. But here he's talking about, specifically, if you're talking about things which the lay people can do themselves without the need for a priest and things of that sort.